Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
Today we're making cauliflower mash. And we're going to show you how to do that. It's really easy. No steaming of your cauliflower. So we just take the cauliflower dry. That's about good. And we will blend it in the bullet. Add the powder, and now we're treating it just like our mashed potatoes.
All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of seasoning. Let's pour it in. Let me just flip it here. Okay, so a little bit of garlic powder.
We took our cheese, blended it down just the same way into a powder, and add that.
And some Chef's Choice, which is one of our favorites.
And a little butter.
And we're gonna mix that all up. And again, we don't measure, so we're just gonna wing it. And of course it's refreshing, so it's absorbing, all that cauliflower is absorbing all of the moisture. All right. It smells really good.
So good, that garlic and Parmesan cheese.
Okay, so from here, you can actually pan fry it, and it's quite nice. If it's pan fried, you can use it as a pizza crust. You can actually use it for whatever, and it's a whole lot easier than doing it from fresh. I've done this with a fresh cauliflower, and you have to steam it, and then you have to squeeze all the moisture out of it, and it takes a lot of time.
Well, if I did this in a pizza crust, I would add an egg to this or some extra cheese that'll hold and bind it together. But even just like this, it's delicious. You use that in replacement of mashed potatoes, and it's a great side dish. So hope you give this a try. And remember to give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to comment below and tell us what you do with your cauliflower.
Make sure to subscribe, and remember,
You can do this too.